Buonasera, benvenuti a tutti, questa è la quinta edizione del Rock Around the Blues, oggi è sabato, questa sera si esibiranno sul palco Sandy Lee and the Wanton e Nico Duportal and the Rhythm Dudes dalla Francia. Vi aspettiamo numerosi, la serata promette bene, la musica è favolosa, serata straordinaria, di calcio non ne parliamo solo di musica, grazie a Leandro Maggi e a Made in Polesine. Buona serata.
Thank you very much. The trouble started up in cell block number 4. It spread like fire across the prison floor. The road came in with a big Tommy gun. Bang, bang, bang. The ones that come out with your hands up in the air. If you don't stop the ride, you won't gotta get the chair. To get my tail, don't say it's too late to quit. To pass the dynamite molly, goodbye. Too hot down low in the fire. They drove up to the prison in the middle of the night. Each and every tutor, he looked so fine. Chicks went crazy up and
Thank you, Sandy Lee and the Wanton.
Thank you very much. One we got.